Unraveling the meaning of tossing up. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might have you picturing someone throwing something into the air. But in English, tossing up can mean more than that. Join me as we explore the different shades of meaning behind this versatile phrase. Whether you're tossing up ideas in your head or simply tossing a salad, you'll soon understand how to use this phrase in various contexts. When you first hear tossing up, you might imagine someone throwing a ball or a coin into the air. That's the literal meaning, to throw something lightly or carelessly. Think of a chef tossing up vegetables in a pan, or someone tossing up a coin to make a decision. It's about a light, gentle throw, often with an element of carefree attitude. The beauty of language lies in its figurative use. When we say we're tossing up between two things, it means we're considering two options and can't decide which one to choose. It's like we're throwing the ideas in the air, seeing where they land, trying to weigh them equally. This is a common usage in everyday conversation, especially when making decisions. In idiomatic expressions, tossing up can take on even more nuanced meanings. For example, it's a toss-up suggests that two options are equally possible or likely, and there's no clear preference or prediction to be made. This idiom conveys a sense of uncertainty and equality in possibilities. Let's see how to use tossing up in a sentence. Literal: the chef is tossing up the salad with a splash of olive oil. Metaphorical: I'm tossing up whether to go for a job in marketing or one in sales. Idiomatic: when it comes to choosing between the two players for the team, it's really a toss-up. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in everyday English, from a simple physical action to the complex process of decision-making. I hope this video has helped clarify the different ways we use the phrase tossing up in English. It's not just about throwing things in the air. It's about choices, chances, and sometimes the uncertainty of outcomes. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be tossing up English phrases with the confidence of a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.